Hey everyone, welcome to this course on Burpsuite. If you're interested in web application security, bug bounty hunting, or penetration testing, Burpsuite is one of the most important tools you'll ever learn, and that's exactly what this course is about. My name is Dr. Engineer Rashid Omar, and in this course I'll guide you through Burpsuite step by step, starting from the very basics and moving toward real, practical usage. You don't need to be an expert to follow along. Just a basic understanding of how websites work. So what is Burpsuite? Burpsuite is a web security testing tool that acts as a proxy between your browser and a web application. It lets you see, intercept, modify, and analyze HTTP and HTTPS traffic. This gives you deep visibility into how web applications communicate and where they might be vulnerable. Burpsuite is widely used by security professionals, penetration testers, and bug bounty hunters because it's powerful, flexible, and extremely effective for finding real-world vulnerabilities. In this course, we'll start by setting up Burpsuite correctly and understanding its interface. Then we'll dive into core tools like the proxy, repeater, intruder, decoder, and scanner, and learn how and when to use each one. You'll also learn how Burpsuite fits into real testing workflows. How to test authentication, input validation, session handling, and common vulnerabilities like SQL injection and cross-site scripting. By the end of this course, Burpsuite won't feel overwhelming anymore. You'll be able to confidently intercept traffic, analyze requests and responses, and use Burp as a practical tool in real web security testing. If you're serious about learning web security the right way, let's get started, and I'll see you in the next lesson.